yesterday ay attended kami na isang networking event sa Etivac sa Cavite. So, 4 tips going to South. Nagutom na po. Wala ba sa venue?
Papahukain.
Para saan yan?
BTS.
Oo, ganda yun. Maganda kasi siya sa loob, tsaka may match.
We're here at Cafe 1023 at Etivac. So, dito yung venue ng networking ni PH Business Network. Ano na cookies din? Parang masarap lang. Diba naman sarap ng cake? We're going to the venue. Yes.
Daniel Mark.
Oo.
26. Kasabay natin. Kami nga 8 nandito na kami. Ay, 10.
Most of the time, duda sila sa plans. This is why we build a community. We want to build relationships with each and every one of you. And I think most of you can relate to this. Kung papasok pa lang kayo sa business or business na owner na kayo currently, ang hirap maghanap ng circle na relatable.
Build ng ecosystem which is na makakapag-accept ng crypto payments in Silang Cavite. We process cacao products.
May idea what business you plan to start?
Actually, meron kami ngayon. Pharmacy business kasi yung mother ko.
Say, currently, working ako sa corporate.
So, I'm a small business owner po. I am a franchisee. If nakikita nyo po somewhere si Mr. Liam po, so ayun po, yung chicken and liam po.
I don't know if you're familiar with it, but they are playing Web3 games.
But last year, I started a small business. It's actually tote bag business.
Media buyer for like 6 years.
Online business like sell pastries. Pandemic pa yun.
I am a digital marketing agency owner. I just launched this 2 months ago.
So the reason why I'm here is I want to share my story. Maybe I can inspire somebody kasi it's been some time na rin na hindi ako nalabas.
Well, agency ko, while I offer a lot, no, yung mga ticketing and tours.
I used to be a manager sa BPO.
Katulad nyo, may nakakatawa, I came from also a financial industry.
Gusto ko i-share yun as a business owner kasi
Content strategies on TikTok wherein I specialize in short form.
Student pa lang ako sa TikTok. The reason why I'm here po is to gain more connections.
I have my own business, no? Kasi lahat ng mga na binibigay sa akin pera, iniipon ko bawat ko lang gano'n.
hindi ka
Hindi ba halata?
Hindi halata.
Hindi daw gutom na una ko.
Medyo lang, medyo.
Parang hindi ka nag-prito yan.
Actually, bago kami kumain ng bulalo.
Guys, may sinasabi. Ang syala po ng joyride naka-heels. mo na eh.
Pogi na
Parang iyang iya si Kuya Nigel.